Oh yeah, it is nice to be back at Knott's Berry Farm. Finally, after a while. Yeah, my pass was expired, so I had to renew it. Oh, hello, Silver Bullet. I missed you too. Maybe if the line's not too long, I'll take a spin on Silver Bullet. And before I forget, hello everyone and welcome back to another Theme Park Obsession video. My name is Dylan, and yeah, we're gonna be cruising around Knott's Berry Farm today to check up on Camp Snoopy, have some fun, maybe grab some final Boysenberry Festival items before the festival goes away for the 2024 season, and just, yeah, I mean, have a great day. So how about you and I dive right in. Okay, we're kicking off the journey here at Camp Snoopy, where look at this, they've removed that iconic canoe with Snoopy and friends in there, and the new signage will be up in this spot. I'm gonna miss this though. I feel like it's been here for so long that, you know, it's just we're all used to it, and the change is gonna be a little jarring at first, and we'll eventually get used to it. But yeah, you know, I wonder where they're gonna put this canoe. I think it's going over to the other waterfalls, because I believe I saw it in some concept art, and my buddy Drew, who's with me today, is also thinking the same thing. So at least they saved it in some capacity, you know? So that's nice. And they've taken the walls down over here to reveal some dirt. So maybe as we get closer to the grand reopening of Camp Snoopy, they'll have the Snoopy statue over here, because I believe also in concept they had something in this little corner. Ooh, and the camp store is back open, and the park has said that the clock is coming back, so don't worry. Here's the inside, and oh yeah, it definitely smells like fresh paint in here. They just finished this not too long ago. Oh, I don't remember the raised ceiling. I wonder if they've raised this up. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I've really paid attention to this section, but yeah, everything looks really great. And oh yeah, if you're wondering, they have you covered when it comes to Snoopy merchandise. Like, these t-shirts are pretty cool right here. See the price, $22 billion, $22.99 for that. We have some other Peanuts Gang shirts along the walls here. But right outside the camp store, we still have a lot of construction going on. This new theater that they're building beyond this wall. And of course, the walls go all the way over to the quick service location. Here at the top of Grizzly Creek Lodge, you can see pretty good progress happening on the stage over there. Lots of rebar going into the ground as they prepare the foundation. But other than that, this area has been kind of staying the same, at least from the last time I was here at Knott's Berry Farm. So I'm still trying to figure out when this is all gonna start, which hopefully is soon, because this is all gonna be open here in the next few weeks. And on a side note, look at how gorgeous of a day it is today. It is a beautiful day in Buena Park. Oh, there goes Silver Bullet again. About to go into the Cobra Roll. Oh yeah, if you look really closely in the distance, you can see some Knott's Scary Farm goodness over there. Oh yeah, I cannot wait for Knott's Scary Farm 2024. I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. Now inside Grizzly Creek Lodge, not too many changes since last time I was here, but nonetheless, I love what they did to the space. It looks so much better now. Now right outside the Grand Sierra Railroad, you can see they've removed the track, because this is all gonna be redone, and it looks like in concept that the layout of this attraction will be extended closer to Montezuma's Revenge. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. But yeah, still a lot of work to be done over here, right next to the balloon race. And then if you've noticed, our little statue friends are missing. So I wonder if they're gonna have some new statues appear. And of course, right now, because of construction, the water is not running. And I'm wondering if they're gonna change the track gauge on this. And I wonder if they're going to do anything to the steam engine itself. And maybe. Then you brought up a good point.
Maybe they're going to Autopiafy it, you know, give it an electric train. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, you know, electric everything is in style right now.
True.
So, I mean, hey, you never know. Now, starting on this side, yeah, they still haven't started work on what will be like, you know, like a porch little thing. It looks like a meet and greet area for Camp Snoopy. And then off in the distance, you can see an all-new structure has popped up. Wow, that is very impressive. So, really exciting stuff over there, which we'll talk about in just one second. But the waterfalls are off because this will all be redone as well. The Barrel Bridge excitement will have to wait until then. But yeah, I wonder when they're gonna start this right here. Okay, we're making our way up to Montezuma's Revenge. Well, technically the balloon race is over here. This is the queue for the balloon race. But since no one's in line, we can get a nice little view of what's going on at Monty. Oh, there goes Jaguar at 90 miles an hour. Maybe we'll get on Jaguar a little bit later. But yeah, nothing has really changed over here at Monty. Kind of still sitting stagnant. I feel like once they finish Camp Snoopy, they'll move to this project, which is all supposed to open in 2025, by the way. Knott's made that announcement that they are working on this and it'll be ready to go by next year. But yeah, gonna be keeping an eye on it. I'll keep you all informed on what the dealio is. We still don't know who's going to be working on this attraction. And since we don't know who's working on it, I'm still just kind of guessing that it's Zamperla, and it's only because they've been working with Cedar Fair on a few other projects, and they've also supplied the coaster here in Camp Snoopy, the new roller coaster. It's Zamperla. So maybe they worked out a really good deal and they're working on Montezuma's Revenge, or they will be working on Montezuma's Revenge. So I don't know. We're going to wait and see. Well, they still have a lot of the beautiful decorations up here in Camp Snoopy. Again, like I've always said a million times over, the park does a very good job decorating for the different seasons. And look at that off in the distance. You can see the coaster track. And here's another view of that massive structure. That is apparently a new set of restrooms. But like Drew was saying on his channel, we're kind of trying to figure out, is this only restrooms or is it multi-purpose? You know, is there going to be like a snack stand on the other end or something else included? Maybe some offices for Camp Snoopy. Yeah, you know, I don't know. It's a pretty massive building in person. And then also from this angle, you can see what might be the station for the new roller coaster. And then over the edge over here, little bits of track. You can see, I got a different angle of the track. So like one of the curves. But yeah, a lot of work happening in this corner. So the section that I was just showing is this right here, this giant structure that will be, yeah, it looks like the station. But yeah, this will be a cool little kiddie coaster. Same exact one that's in Florida, the Peppa Pig park, the Daddy Pig roller coaster. Same sort of layout. I think ours is just mirrored. Still really bummed out about this, that the Ferris wheel is gone, and I've been told that it's not coming back, and this will be the home of a new flat ride. Now over here at the Rapid River Run, you can see some better angles of the coaster track. And all the areas that Drew and I have been walking around here in Camp Snoopy, it looks like the track work is complete. And I mean, rightfully so. This is not some major, you know, roller coaster when it comes to height or, you know, distance. The overall footprint of this is very small. You could fit this in some people's backyards. So this was probably just a couple days and all the track was installed and the footing or the support columns were in place. So yeah, I mean, this was really quick. And it looks like right now most of the major work is just in that station area and then obviously the restrooms off in the corner. But yeah, it is pretty cool to see all the track up. I love that green color. Slowly making the transition into Fiesta Village. Yeah, still no work on Montezuma's Revenge from this angle as well. And no visible progress on the truck ride. Here's the front entrance of Montezuma's Revenge, or what will be the front entrance of Monty. Yeah, again, not too much happening on this side either. Work probably won't happen until later on this summer into the fall. And that's when we'll see a lot of action. And maybe at the end of the year, we'll see some track work because this entire thing's going to be replaced. I feel like there's only a couple sections left, but other than that, it's all going to be brand new track. And one more thing here in Fiesta Village, look at this. All the new Montezuma's Revenge merch is already out. I actually like this t-shirt. See how much is that? 100 million, no, 22 or 29.99 for that. Yeah, I like that shirt. I dig it. Nothing on the back. And another thing I really dig are these right here, these tiki mugs of Montezuma's Revenge. Look at that. That is awesome. $44.99 for the tiki mug. All right, that's pretty much gonna do it for this end of the park. Let's continue the journey into the boardwalk. Made our way through the boardwalk, and you know, not too much happening over here. Making a pit stop into Cordy's Corner, see what kind of merchandise they have, and found this little guy right here, the little boysenberry character. Hey Knotts, if you're watching, make this a fuzzy character that walks around with Whittles and Snoopy and the gang during the Boysenberry Festival. That would be amazing. Ooh, I like this Roaring 20s pin. It's kind of neat. $9.99 for that. Ooh, wow, look at this Ghost Rider shirt. That's pretty sick. I'm assuming this is the front. Yeah, so this is the front for $29.99. Yeah, see, here's this character again. Yeah, come on, we got to see this character walking around the park. Making the transition into Ghost Town. And people are here enjoying Calico River Rapids. Yeah, watch out for the explosions. Over here at the former Mystery Lodge site, have these cute little bees buzzing around the flower beds here, and some couple praying mantis hanging out on the rocks. Oh, hey buddy, how's it going? Yeah, it's nice to see you too. Yep, I know it's been a couple months since I've seen you. My pass expired, so I had to wait to renew, but I'm renewed, I'm ready to go. I even upgraded to the all park thing so I can go to other Cedar Fair parks around the country and hang out with some of your friends. And I can see they turned up the waterfall for you too, so I hope you're panning for some good gold down there. But yeah, it's nice to see you too, man. It's been a minute. And how's the Boysenberry Festival going for you? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, I'm sad that it's going to be ending too. And yes, you're absolutely correct. That was me talking to an inanimate object for about 40 seconds. Over here at the Timber Mountain Log Ride, it is down for refurb. Should be open up here very, very soon though. And with that, we've officially completed the lap around Knott's Berry Farm. That was fun. Okay, we've officially exited the park, but there's one more thing to talk about, and it's something that I've been meaning to talk about for a long time on the channel, and I'm excited to see it. And this is that thing, the Knott's Hotel. This is newly renovated. I've stayed here one time, and that's about it. But I feel like I got to stay here again since they've renovated the entire hotel. I'm not a huge fan of the outside color. I feel like the color needs some accent tones. It's a little too dark and a little monotone. But other than that, I do like what they did with the front entrance here. Yeah, this is quite lovely. They did a really good job out here. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is very well done. Holy moly. It smells nice in here too.
It does.
Dang. And Drew was just noticing that this might be like a little nod to a boysenberry because it's very boysenberry-ish, you know? Wow, I'm actually very impressed with the lobby. This is gorgeous. We got a little bakery and a bar over here, which is connected to the restaurant on the other side, the 30 Acres restaurant. Wow, this is lovely. Even these chairs, these are really nice chairs. I could come in here and have a cocktail and hang out after the park closes, like literally what just happened right now. Like, hey, we could sit and have a drink. I'm actually, I'm like loss of words right now. This went from a hotel that was okay looking, it wasn't like the craziest looking place, to a very high class, like Disney level hotel, like something you'd see at Walt Disney World. As you kind of walk a little deper into the hotel lobby area, we got the Berry Place, which is a little gift shop. Again, looks fantastic. Oh, you joined me upstairs. What were you looking at? Were we gonna stay here? How much?
Looking at prices.
Oh, how much is it?
Apparently there's a festival hotel package starting at $95.
Oh, that's actually not bad. That's actually a really good deal. So, did you bring your sleeping clothes? Like,
I should have.
Dang. Well, maybe they sell some down in the gift shop. So,
they do.
There you go. Okay, we've made it out to the courtyard area. Very nice and peaceful out here. I love what they did with the tile work. We have some beautiful trees that line all the way up to the little stage over there. Again, you can host a wedding if you wanted to, and I'm sure they have those packages available. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the color. I wish they would have done a little bit more with the color out here, but we can push that aside and appreciate what they did with everything else. Now, compared to Disney resorts, this is very affordable.
Yeah.
Very affordable. So. Drew just looked up the price. I know we talked about that package deal for like $100. It's for up to like 4 people.
Yeah, it's for 4 people, so it's $95 each.
Okay, $95 a person.
You also get a fast lane voucher. You get like
the tasting lanyards for the boysenberry thing.
There's so much to it. It's insane.
Yeah, it's a really good deal. But compared to Disney, like Pixar Place Hotel just opened up. It's roughly like, depending on the time you go, like if we were to book a stay tonight, it would probably be like $600 or $700 a night. Here at the Knott's Hotel for 2 people, was it $149?
$149, yeah.
That's a really good deal. So if you are traveling to the Orange County area to hit up Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm, this is another option.
I mean, if the rooms are anything like the lobby, yeah, it's gorgeous. Which,
by the way, I can't show you the rooms today. Maybe on a different day I can arrange something with the park, but they did renovate the rooms as well. So, and when I was last staying here, it wasn't a bad hotel. I thought it was okay. Yeah. So the fact that it's all renovated, it's probably even better. And you can't beat that price, especially if you're on vacation, family of 4. I think a lot of people are going to be reconsidering staying on Disney property versus Knott's Berry Farm property, because this hotel is just a 5-minute walk from the front entrance. And one more thing before I close out the video, yes, you do get an annual pass holder discount if you are one for Knott's Berry Farm, up to 15% is what Drew was seeing. So again, great deal. You can't beat it. If you're in the Orange County area and you're trying to figure out a place to stay that you want to be on property, check out the Knott's Hotel. And with that, that's going to do it for today's video from Knott's Berry Farm. I hope you enjoyed it. It's so nice to be back, finally. after a few months of not being able to come to the park, but the pass is renewed, so you can expect weekly, well, hopefully weekly updates from the park. It's also nice hanging out with my buddy Drew from Parks Bros. Be sure to check out his channel as well. He has a bunch of cool stuff on the channel coming up here very, very soon. And yeah, he'll have some Knott's updates as well. So if I'm not here in the next couple of weeks or something, you can probably count on Drew to have a possible Knott's Berry Farm video. But if you did enjoy the video, you can let me know by smashing the thumbs up button and taking over the YouTube algorithm, because yeah, the thumbs up button definitely does make a difference. And if you're new to the channel and you love these videos from Knott's Berry Farm or some of your other favorite theme parks, consider subscribing, because I have brand new videos every single week from some of your favorites. Be sure to check out my Instagram account by following the link down below in the description. But until the next video, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.